Hospitals in Oregon are at their breaking point. Only 7% of ICU beds available across the state.
Every single patient on this unit right now has a breathing tube.
Here at OHSU Hospital in Portland, more than a dozen critically ill COVID patients fill the medical ICU. All but one are unvaccinated.
There's always a nurse kind of right here ready to intervene.
People from all over the Pacific Seaboard come here to OHSU to get medical treatment, from Alaska to Idaho to Montana.
Our physicians are just being called at every opportunity. Can you take this patient? Can you help us consult on this patient? This patient is 26 and dying. This patient is 21 and dying. This patient is a father of 4 and dying. And that's when they turn to us, and the inn is full.
Healthcare workers are exhausted and straining to keep up with the surge of COVID patients. You see these people, you know it's preventable.
Yeah.
What goes through your mind?
Heartbreaking, knowing that people are fighting for their lives, and it could have been prevented.
I don't think people have an inkling of the amount of suffering that you will experience being sick with COVID. It is extremely painful.
Americans who hesitate to get the vaccine, asking nurses and doctors to shoulder the unbelievable weight of deaths and illnesses.
It's really unnecessary. I mean, it's totally avoidable. I think that's the most heartbreaking part of it.
I just wish people could hear it, that if you're worried about side effects from the vaccine itself, your risks of what can happen to you or your loved one if you do not get vaccinated are astronomically higher.
Christine Pitawanich, NBC News Portland.